In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord membership on Whop and make money. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional setup that connects your Discord server to paid memberships, so you can start earning from your community with confidence. First, create an account on Whop. Head to the site, sign up and log in. Use a professional email and set up two-factor authentication for security. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the option to start your business. You'll see a button labeled Start a Business or Create a Whop. Click that to begin building your offering. Next, set up your Whop. Give it a clear, memorable name and write a straightforward description that explains the value members will get. Add your branding, logo, banner and colors to make it feel official and trustworthy. When that looks good, click Create to save your setup. Now let's connect Discord. In Whop, go to Settings, then Connected Accounts. Click the Add button next to Discord, authorize the connection and make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account in your browser. Around this point, a quick note. I've placed a link to Whop at the top of the description so you can follow along, and I've also included the Discord app download link if you need it. Inside your Whop, open Apps, choose Add App and select Discord. This is what lets Whop manage member access automatically. Then select the Discord server you want to connect. You must have admin permissions on that server. If you don't, ask the server owner to grant them first. It helps to have roles ready in Discord, like member or VIP, but you can map them here as you go. Set roles and access by assigning which Discord roles paying members will receive and what they can see. Make sure revocation is enabled so roles are removed when a subscription ends, keeping access clean and fair. Next, open products or pricing, and choose how you charge, monthly subscription for recurring revenue or a one-time payment if that suits your offer. Start with a clear, affordable entry tier, and build from there. When you're satisfied, publish your membership to make it live, then copy your unique link. Test it in a private window to confirm the flow works as expected. Finally, promote your membership. Share your link on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube with short demos, testimonials and a clear call to action. Consistency here is key. That's it. You've successfully created a Discord membership on Whop and can start earning. Thanks for watching.